Mugasomya umwanchi umurigere begataseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mu Gusii no kwegena kwa bunari tkoria ondigenderete ko bari toereru na neno genderete kwego kya ko bwatie mirubere yonsi yakirorire ritkoria ijuma kitariki 22 cy'umutienyi o gatatu umwaka w'ibiki 2024 na manga genderete gokorekana imeyense ya Kenya anenekera toroche abarayikuruase obo mubwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya bakorawa numura w'ikema kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo bagenderete netare yabo ase orogongo rwa Gusii iyo yasoari tkoria kabere na boigori tkoria omwerio ekero bagenderete gukwanira emirubiro ao gati yabo ugotinya ekyama gose obo mobwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya charagire CHINSA isana na IBERE cyabona mbaso mwanchi umurigereria kerongo kwarigania SMS AMAYIA iri nkumanyibuna narayiha ya nakwarganirie asenchera ereyo bwinge yoromna sensemo ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website ito na bokonya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net iro togendere gusanga subwamo. Tariane EVERLYENE OSERO LYDIA musinere tukubwatira na sensemo yebimanyariro na boigo Sara MOMANYI nero koine kyabuna chibichanerio gicha wikere a century yabene gokwariga nitobe tugusanga goika omwerio amaye CHINSA isana nebera century yobwinge tukoya chaka kurwase county ya Kisii awase kiombe getenenerete obochenu bwomunwa gose Dentist for Africa kubwatira na ne ward ya Masige kurawa no MC ward yo Michael Mutume nigo babere bagotarira eskuro yoboroso ya Nyamaruma asenchire ya moyo kuro boseme gocyase aborokiwa igoro yoborendi bwomunwa anene amaino nigo bagenderete kurwesegeto kweneke buna abana babere bakurenda obochenu bwemenwa yabo asenchire ya moyo kubatanga kurwase okonyora amaroire yekingencho ao Runora batito muri keitabigete kambia sensebe yasagenderete kubwate ante chukumanya amange ningikirikera korekane ororo tokoskabosyo nigo abarai kurwase obo mobwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya bakorawa no muraibe kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene Wamalwa egati abarai bande ebaswa ya setaro yabo yeritkoria kabere ime yorogonko rwa Gusii awasiritkoria rero bagotarira chinsemo ao ime ye county ya Kisii okwana nabarike mangane mambia rero asumu bugani o Camel Park toke me county ya Kisii nigo aba Kalonzo abagakomochya oburayi bwa Kenya kwanza inse yoburayi bwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto yoro murayi bwense kubwatikana negurube bagenderete kommentera aba Kenya gati yabo okomenta kwebango Kalonzo bayigo ni abaga ukwanira engana yoburendi ane nase orogonko rwa Gusii obwobore gosererio gocyase gati yabarayi gati y'umugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asate babuna nengana erakiye korigererirwa ase obwimemo Oigo ni abaga kwegerera obo mobwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya na otabati buri gochi watananeka asenchire ndeyonsi gorende nigo bagochi akogendera gotigara bare abati ngona kogenderia emiroberio yobo mobwo.
We have to caution our fellow citizens against the excesses of this Kenya Kwanza regime. Determined, and they look so determined. We even see the headline news is that trying to have a plan for raising 16 trillion by adding more taxes. First of all, they are beginning, the KRA people are saying now from the 19th of March, don't tarengapi. Kwanza 3 days, and they are giving only a lead time, unapatiwa 9 days to comply. Employer na remit 1.5% na kila mtu 1.5%. Yani ni mupende musipende kind of mentality. Even though the issues are still being canvassed in our course of justice. So We have shared these thoughts with the people of Kisii and people of Nyamira. We have also made it very clear that we are watching the security agencies in particular, because they have issued a direct threat against the life of Governor Simbarati. We made this very clear yesterday. And we're also saying Azimio is united. We are so focused, in fact, even more than ever before, because all we are saying is let our captain, our brother Raila Odinga, go on and get this seat, and we are all fully in support. We are praying for him. Even some of us know some of these dynamics. We are able to see what we can do. But that does not mean kwamba Azimio itasambaratika. On the contrary, the people, we realize kusambaratika kwa Azimio will mean dashing the hopes and aspirations of Kenyans who want to see nothing but justice in their country.
Magigayo muraibese Dr. William Samuel Ruto kubwatoka chingwana bunanigo serikali yakorero kuyuwana n'ensemo y'ebigambiro aseri chikorio bwagachwe chinyumba aseri goldense enkwana betega kubwatoka ase chinsemo cha bomet na wigo kericho aigike moya itire nigo bono muna chebino monene imense ya Kenya Martha Koome abereka wesokya na gutuguterare enkwani yo korengana na Koome nigensemo y'ebigambiro tabege gwikero kuyuwana ne serikali asekeriengane yo nigo yabake gotereni oyabeteke gotenwa nekigambire kinene gose High Court ayamagega yekigambire cyo boigo goterenia gose gotancherana gotaitabirana ningane yo asebono ogotegererwa ku mu rubiru yo ko robere gokorekana tariki 15 nemo cyo mutienyi ogatano omwako yoigano nyanabo Koome nigaterebuna ensemo yebigambiro nigera chigotigara kogendera wetenenera.
Judiciary is not in any capacity able to enter into any agreement with the executive, especially in a matter that is before court. The judiciary was not a party in that cause. I am a judge. I'm not a communication expert, but all I could say or deduce from that conversation is that it was taken out of context or there was misinterpretation. I'd like to assure Kenyans is that the judiciary was not a party in that matter. The judiciary was discharging our function of determining a dispute which was before us. We are independent, we are impartial, we were not party.
Kuwatakana no komentakana kumimbaskano ase chipara yabere kwenekiwa ase amatuka wango igase birenko byegoro niko bano mwaziri bo burendi bwa make dure kindiki aberega kwenekia emeroberio emekeranu ase obosombi bwa para iri gutanga emibaskaleyo okwana kinga kikirarete bosi